Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have read the poem. The name of the poem is Our Tree. It was written by David Harmon. It's a beautiful emotional poem, and in this, it is being shown that the poet was attached with that tree that had been cut down. Now, in the previous video, we have done this. One more time, I am telling you. A tree takes a long time to grow. For many years. The trunk of the tree pushes the sky to grow higher and higher. The branches grow long as if they were stretching their arms and reaching out fingers. With every year, the seasons change and the tree leaves also change from green to yellow and then from yellow to green. Since the time of the speaker's grandfather's father, there had been an elm outside his school whose shadow could be seen across the playground. The speaker felt sad when this tree was chopped off by some men within 10 minutes. So now students, answer the following questions in brief. So what do the arms in line 3 refer to? The arms in line 3 refer to branches. You are supposed to write the answer in this form. The arms in line 3 refer to branches. Then, what do wooden fingers in line 4 refer to? Wooden fingers in line 4 refer to tender twig. Tender twigs. Bring out the contrast between the beginning and the ending of the poem. That I am going to tell you, or I will upload that in your DAV website. Nowadays your exams are going on. You must be busy in preparing for your examination. So that will be uploaded in 2-3 days. Now the poet has used some imaginative metaphors and beautiful similes in the poem. In the table given below are some extracts from the poem. Mention whether the extract is a simile or a metaphor. You know, when I was teaching you the poem, I have told you what is a metaphor. Now I will tell you with the example that what is simile also. So many years of pushing the sky. Here, direct comparison, it is metaphor. Long branches stretch the arms. Then again it is metaphor. Reach out with their wooden fingers. Then again it is metaphor. Now last one. Years drift by. Fall like leaves. Here we have comparison. Fall like leaves. Here also we have comparisons, but in these lines we have not used like or as. But here we are using like, where we have comparison with words like and as. So we write it a simile. So this is a simile. This is a difference between metaphor and simile. Here we have direct comparison. Here we compare, but we use like and as in the comparison. It is simile. Now we have HOTS. What does the poet want to convey by saying it took 10 minutes? Discuss with your partner. This question you are not supposed to do in the notebook. I am telling you the answer like that only. You must understand the answer. What does the poet want to convey by saying it took 10 minutes? You know, poet wanted to say, it's want. Poet wants to say that a tree took so many years to grow. It takes so many years to grow, but in only 10 minutes, it is being destroyed. So destruction is easy. Poet wants to say that destruction is easy, construction is difficult. The poet has mentioned many phrases and words in the poem telling that it takes long for a tree to grow. Discuss. So yes, poet has used many phrases. So many years of pushing the sky. This, then. Years drift by, fall like leaves from green to yellow, then back to green. So these the poet have used here. So these two questions that are not to be done in the notebook. You will just understand the questions and their answers. imagine that you adopted a plant in your school or near your house. Write 5 things you would do to help it grow in a strong big tree. Yes, this question you will do in your notebook, and points I am giving you, but you will write your own points also. You can write. So what you can do to take care of that tree? You can water that tree every day, plant every day. You can put humus in that. You can take care of pests there कि वहाँ पे कोई insects तो नहीं हैं. And these kind of things you can do. And 5 you are supposed to write, 3 I have told you. Or you can write the things of your own choice also. Now, you have observed that vast stretches of grassland that were the lungs of your town have been converted into concrete jungles. Discuss with your partner the possible consequences of this cruel activity. So here also, this question also you are not supposed to do in the notebook. Just understand this, that earlier आपके पेरेंट्स भी आपको बताते होंगे कि earlier so many grasslands were there in the town, trees were there, but now we do not see any trees. What we see concrete jungles. Concrete jungle means buildings everywhere. So you are supposed to tell us the consequences, the bad effects of that. Okay, so number 1 bad effect is global warming. Number 2, no fresh air, less rainfall. These kind of things you can write. Now writing skill, this I will upload in your DAV website. Now we will read a little bit about the author. David Harmer is an American poet keenly interested in conservation of nature. So this poet, he was interested in conserving the nature. He feels pained at mindless felling of trees that is now posing a serious threat to human existence itself. So he was against deforestation. Our Tree is one of his most celebrated poems. It was a beautiful poem. So students, revise the poem and fill in the blanks whatever given in your exercise, and write the question answer in your notebook. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.